So it's a 3-tier culinary program right now. It starts with an introductory course. It's where the students learn the fundamentals of nutrition, knife skills, safety and sanitation, and mostly about product knowledge. And then they move into intermediate culinary, which is culinary 2, and that is focused on the professional application of all what they learned in culinary 1. Then in culinary 3, which is advanced culinary, it's essentially a food service operation. So the students apply knife skills every day. They apply cooking techniques every day. They design menus. They see the end result of the business aspect of the culinary industry.
The thing about taking culinary classes is just experience and learning to cook. I am going to take this with me for my future so I can clean better, cook for my wife, cook for my family when I get older, and just provide. So I'm very grateful for that.
The culinary program is all about learning how to build yourself up as a professional chef and set yourself up for that type of work experience. It's very beneficial for all kinds of different aspects of life, not just learning how to cook.
Well, the skills they learn in this class, they can be applied to any career, really. When they're learning in culinary 1, 2, and 3, they are focusing on organization. Professionalism is a big part of it. Aside from that, while they're doing this, they obtain the certifications that make them qualify for any position in the food and beverage industry. They get a ServSafe food handler's card, which every individual who works in the industry needs. They are OSHA certified specifically for this industry to make sure that they're working safe and they're not harming themselves or others. The goal is to eventually get them a manager's card as well. So they will now be a valuable asset to another establishment so they can lead a team inside of either the front of the house or the back of the house.
Oh my God, the food in the class is so good. I love eating the food. It's probably the highlight.